Hello there. Hi, it's early. Man, I look like I just got out of bed because I did. But I just want to work on this, I think. I just want to do this. I should be working on other things probably. But I have the heat self-destruct feature just looming over me. For some reason I can't exit studio mode. There we go. I had weird mouse issues. And I don't know what to blame it on. Still a mess in this office. Still don't look back here. But anyway, last night we got to start on a rewrite of Heat that uses the new cues feature. Initial proof of concept seems like it will work. Definitely not ready to launch that. I think we've got a lot of there's a lot of features to add before we call it good. Some ideas about that though, like the token verification stuff. So I don't know, maybe. Separately, I just had an idea actually. Interesting. Anyway, so that's a start, and we will continue to work on that, and hopefully just eventually deploy it. I don't think it'll be crazy expensive to use the cues, and may actually help us. May help us with expenses in other ways. To think about that a little bit, especially if we can start kicking people off. I guess it's tangential, not exactly a result of correlation, not causation, something like that. So, but I do want to just at least add this self-destruct feature because I think that is what is causing so many problems is this dog thing. And even if it's a kind of a bad fix, but even if it's a bad fix, at least we'll just know. We'll know that it's the dog issue. I realize everything I'm saying just sounds like gibberish. Apologize for that. But it's just what it is. It's what I'm talking about is nonsense. Okay, this is the heat cues. So that's what we worked on last night. Is there an error in here? What are you mad about? What if we don't? So we should probably put this somewhere before something bad happens, right? You see that? You hear me clicking and then things don't happen sometimes? Frustrating. Be sad if my in-a-loop batteries were losing their luster. That'd be a sad story. Okay, so right, we have this mess. This is gonna be Heat 3.0. It's gonna be. So let's open up. Where's real Heat? You. Do I just push this to another branch even though it's like vastly, dramatically different? I kind of want to. Like just add the same remote. I don't want to. Is that bad form? It's probably kind of bad form. Like to have a totally separate code base in a branch, basically. But I'm gonna probably reason to not do that, to have like a total rewrite on a separate branch, but I'm gonna do it. So I delete that remote branch. Let's switch back to the 2.3.0 branch. Why is that green? It hasn't been published to GitHub. Can I just delete you? The clicks, man. What is the problem? Is it battery? My beautiful in-a-loop batteries just So what's the right way to do this? Like, okay, the clicking is insane. I'm gonna go try to change the battery. I'll be right back. Whoops, in the process of changing the battery, I switched inputs. Oops, okay. Rendered senseless, how's it going? Oh, come on. Oh, shucks. Go on. How's it going, buddy? What I'm doing is adding self-destruct rather than fix a bug. How is Rendered Senseless 2.0 coming along? Am I even talking to a human anymore? Are you a sentient AI? Okay, can I click now? Is it really a battery thing? That's a bummer. My Inaloop's dead? Ooh, exciting. Excited for it. The only good channel on Twitch, Rendered Senseless. The only good content, basically, on the internet. Okay, I don't exactly know what I'm doing, but I'm gonna do it anyway. Let's do, well, maybe we should look it up. Is that true? That's cool. On-site work. That's so 2019 of you. Working in person together? Probably the right way to do this, right? It's basically going to be a totally new repository. Like, I have a totally, like, if I'm in a totally separate world. Oh, come on. It shouldn't be that hard. Maybe I'm making it harder than it needs to be. Probably a less dangerous way to do this. I hate it. I hate all this. But maybe it's the way to do it. Mm-hmm. Do I still need to? Presumably, I still have to do all this stuff, right? Okay. Well, let's try this. It's probably not really right, but let's just try it. So now, can I really do this? Seems gutsy. Oops. And now did it work? Did I break everything? Is he ruined? Let me refresh this list. Why doesn't it appear here? Wouldn't you think it would appear there? Weird. I don't know, everybody. What have I done? Heat workers. You're the worst. Get out. You like this. Heat workers. And see it. Oh, but it was based. Well, that's a little weird. It's from Maine. Do I care? I don't think I care since it's like all new. Not sure that matters. In other words, it's like branched from main, which nobody cares about. Nobody cares about you, main. Okay, but we'll call that good enough. It is pushed. I do not really understand why we aren't seeing... Oh, because it would be here is why. That's why. I still don't see it. So... There it is. Okay, I think we're okay. So... Did I change that and then not save it? Oopsie. What's the real deal look like? Heat API. What's the real name? Private. Okay, we're just gonna call this all good for now. Okay. Do that. Call it a day on heat workers. Sorry, heat queues. Now in heat workers, this is where it's going to be weird. So my plan is to use the alarm feature, which I don't think was originally available in durable objects. I don't think it, maybe it was, but I wonder, I mean, another option is just like try to keep the gateway awake all the time, but then I have to pay for it. So I don't think we want to do that. So what I think we want to do is like schedule alarms to wake our buddy up. Blocking concurrency. I mean, I think this is the whole deal, really. So we kind of want to just have a we did this in the refrain repository, so let's just look at refrain, because I had some scheduled task, basically. The trick is if there's an exception in the alarm, there's sort of like two ways we could handle it. Because it has built-in retry. Built-in retries. What? So we would want to... Where is it? In the gateway. Why do we block the concurrency? Why do I do that? Oh, that's if we're messing with the in-memory state. Ensures no requests are delivered until initialization is complete. Right. I don't think that matters. We're just setting an alarm or scheduling an alarm. So I don't think we need to worry about that. I did worry about it for some reason here, but I think it was, I don't know. Anywho. Oh, well. Maybe I do need to worry about it. Because it is. That's kind of weird, actually. Huh. So you probably actually do, because it is a storage operation. Okay, well, let's just do it, because I don't think it hurts anything. So in our constructor, Over here, we're going to do it for the replica. We're basically going to say, hey, friends. Is it in this? Why is this true? Are you sure it doesn't? Because I think it does. Is it just like a versioning issue of our Cloudflare types? Why are there no Cloudflare types in here? It's like a stupid dog is pointing at old ones. I hate you, dog. I hate dog. Hate it. Am I gonna regret this? Probably. Yeah, but it definitely does, though. Is the thing about it. Oh, this is gonna break things. A stupid dog. Oh, how I hate you, dog. Great. Well, no, we can't update many better, so. Right here, durable object. Durable object state. Right there, dummy. You dummy. You dumbo. Okay, are you happy now? Okay, so this is gonna say every 10 seconds. That may not be long enough. Let's try every 5 seconds. So we're gonna do a set alarm. And then what do we do? Oh, it's on the gateway here. So we just need so basically when the alarm happens, we need to hit the gateway endpoint. So how do we want to do that? So a couple ways we could do it. I guess the long-winded dumb way is the right way. It's like do the gateway and then a gateway request. Can we do that somewhere? No, that actually is a request from the. I thought we added a. Okay, it's this. Every 5 seconds, maybe we'll change that interval. We have to make a request. How do we do this? Like make this internal. Does Gateway care? Oh, it's not useful. I hate you. What is it called? It's called a group. Really all we do is this. So it doesn't actually matter that much. or it would seem the details of a request don't actually matter that much. Oh, dog. Oh, how I hate you. So... problem is there's no replicas until there is a replica, so... like, I think replicas don't exist at the moment. Also, we should only do this if the connection count is above 0. So let's connect to here. So we should run at least one alarm. So there was our alarm. And then we want to be sure. We want to schedule that alarm to run again. So, channel connections. Is that how I know? That's an array, so I guess it's just if channel connections length. Something like this. What is this? A map? Set. Size? So if we have connections, we'll do the thing. Doesn't matter. Just... so let me connect. And within 5 seconds, we should do the thing. Okay, so what we need to do if this fails, the problem is that fails, we're in big trouble. So we really should try. So I think their pattern is like, kind of you want there to be an error, or like you kind of want to throw, because there's a sort of silly way to do it. So if it fails, it will get auto rescheduled, right? Well, no, because there's only up to 6 retries allowed. So like, we'll just say it failed, and then it'll still try in 5 seconds. I think I'm gonna handle it myself. What does that look like? The object.timestamp. So we need to know like the gateway timestamp, basically, or we need to have like our own. No, we need to know the gateway timestamp. What are you mad about? Number be null? How about that? So we'll have a gateway timestamp. Yeah, what do we actually return here? Just some made up dude that is ID times span, like a gateway response or something. Okay, so if this .gateway timestamp is undefined, then we're just going to set it. Else, if this .gateway timestamp is greater than, no, if the gateway response timestamp is greater than this .gateway timestamp, then we're in bad shape. Because that should mean that. So if the gateway timestamp is undefined, it means it's like the first time we've run it. So whatever. This gateway timestamp is undefined. We set it. If the timestamp is greater than what we've said, meaning the gateway has restarted. Not a state connection. Then we have a stale connection, I believe. How can I actually test this? Because it doesn't seem to time out in the same way in fake land. So if this happens, then we need to go like for is it in or of? So we do this. What are these? What is a channel connection? close all the sockets. Seems a pretty weird thing to do. I got an AeroPress so I can make coffee at home now. It's very exciting. Stale connection. This should kick everybody off. I mean, I guess I could send a status message that's like, hey buddies, instead. Where do we do that? Is that not on the replica? Like, when a WebSocket connects, don't we do that? Here we do. Yeah, we send this. What do we know about connection? We got channel IDs in the connection. Okay. So if we get into this broken state, I just don't know that it's going to happen. What are we logging here? This. Which this should be this is what we'd expect, right? So, like, is there a way I can force kill this? Guess we can deploy it to dev. Try it on dev. Well, I got disconnected, which is funny. But I didn't get a stale connection. I just got disconnected. So no traffic, just hanging out. Don't touch anything. Appear to be connected. How could I fake that? It's funny that it just eventually disconnects me. Which is annoying. We're coming before the staleness, you know? So we should be able to do. I mean, I just am wondering if it will like even break in the expected way. This should publish to dev. WebSocket connect there. That's not the right version. Oh, it is. Shoot. I gotta update it in the constants. Okay, so we're connected here. And now, do we get messages here or do we have to wrangle tail? Wrangle tail. We should be getting our... So this is going to kill the connections, which we would expect. We got disconnected. We would expect. We see alarms firing. Okay, so that's the logging from the alarm. Which you would think all the alarms would keep the buddy alive, or the WebSocket connection. Oh! Right? True? False? It's really hard to break things when they're not broken enough to be obviously broken, you know? Like when it's a bug like this that is just reliant on how server backend works, and I don't think I really have a way to... I mean, I could add some feature to the gateway that would let me fake this, but it would be kind of nice to have it really work. Why do I have so many alarms firing? Did I do something accidentally that is causing cascading alarms? So there were 2, and then there were 3. Because alarm's not an interval, right? Isn't an alarm just a... Alarms don't repeat, do they? No, wait a second. Once every 10 seconds, the alarm handler will be called. Oh. Once every 10 seconds. That doesn't seem true. The documentation doesn't seem quite correct. What's going on over here? Nothing. We're still connected, right? Seems to be. I'm confused though. Like this is not very clear. Because this says it's once every 10 seconds, but that doesn't really seem true. It seems like, well, I guess it's... Why do they do that here? Excuse me. So, are you telling me that I don't? Schedule future alarms. And it's weird because it says it can have one alarm. So like disconnecting, does this kill the gateway? That did update the gateway there. That says I'm still connected. What did I think the gateway was? No, I didn't think it was. I thought it was 6.3. Okay, never mind. Okay, but if I do this, I should get an updated. That's just gonna disconnect you, right? Well, so I did get the message. Connected to stale replica. So does that mean it worked? Or does that mean because I did do the disconnect there, right? So okay, what if I don't do the auto disconnect? No, I didn't. I'm not even doing the auto disconnect. So it did auto disconnect me. So it kind of worked, but then it figured out that it shouldn't be. Oh, hell you. Yes. That was the null check. So here's the question. Is it going to keep calling this alarm? Because I'm pretty confused. Because that doesn't seem like it calls every 10 seconds. I just don't believe it. Yeah, there's no additional alarms. So I think That every 10 seconds thing was a lie. I think it was 10 seconds after a given request came in. But not... I don't think it is every 10 seconds. Oh, excuse me. I mean, if you have a ton of requests, then, like, I guess, but... I think we need this. What are our... Allow concurrency, allow unconfirmed. That's gotta be for alarms. It's not for alarms, right? Oh, well, it's just in general. Let's see. So do I even have to block concurrency? Or does it just happen because I select set alarm option? I wonder what the default is here. Oh. So I think we do have to do it. I don't know how we ended up with 3 alarms on top of each other, though. It's pretty weird. Okay, we didn't get the stale buddy this time. And this is just gonna get killed, yeah. First alarm check. Did I actually change that? Did I not save it before pushing? That'd be funny. Like the options, like the blocking of concurrency and all that jazz, like I don't actually know. Do I need to await this, by the way? It seems like I should. Just feels right, you know. You could just auto do a. Oh, you can. I set this to 0 or -1 or something. Try 1,000 times with 1 second. How about that? What was the triple alarm? Was that if it? No. It seems like there's more than one replica, which would not make very much sense. maybe it does make sense. So how am I going to know if this works? Do I just have to let this sit here for an hour? Is that the state of the world? Hard to say. I like it, it's great when people subscribe to me on YouTube. I don't know why anybody would, because all I do is just like post the unedited footage from these streams, which seems not very exciting. If you're watching this on YouTube, thanks, buddies. Thanks, pals. Ugh. We have so many projects to get back to. I don't want to. I gotta do something for money. Money this year been thin. Kyle has not made me rich yet, which is disappointing. I wonder if I'm causing some kind of anomaly whereby by hitting the gateway I'm keeping it alive, and so this error just won't happen, which would be kind of funny. So maybe I just need to leave this as is. And have Christina do some checking, because they're definitely the ones who have been running into this error lately. Let's see. Well, this is silly, because it may be just like that by hitting this periodically, I'm just keeping it alive, and so is that all it takes? I don't know what, I mean, the one thing I could do is just go in and in the group add a trick that will just update its timestamp basically. Like just for testing, I could do this. Just to see if it oops. I mean this. Just means should mean every time it connects, it should be wrong, basically. Like smooth adult contemporary music I'm listening to here. Oh, okay, I've done everything wrong. Okay. Also wrong, right? Okay, we've connected. So we should like force a stale connection. On the second call, it should be wrong. Stale connection. So we got a stale connection. We're not forcing a disconnect now. So let's try forcing the disconnect. What are you complaining about? Get out of here. We get an undefined. Next call we should get. So we got a stale connected to stale replica, and then we got reconnected. Handler return to promise that will be ignored. Event handlers should not have return values. It should be not be async functions. I think that's a stupid. I think that's a dog issue, not a me issue. I think. That's weird though, because upon reconnecting, I guess it's not actually restarting the replica. Huh. I guess because I just reconnect immediately. But okay, well this seems like it does the thing. So let's go here. Let's not do this. That's broken. So what have we actually changed here? We did that. I don't think we have to do this. I think we are already blocking concurrency. Yeah. I'm gonna say let's see. Find a way to pull this from the package JSON on build. Okay. And we are definitely not doing this thing. Okay. So let's do a publish. Excuse me. That's where it gets real clicks, right? That triple. Oh, thanks for stopping by, Render Senseless. I think I missed your message. I'm sorry. Do I get dev clicks? I don't think I do. I could in theory do that. Yeah, I can't even see that like my local heat is dead. Probably because it's a stale connection, right? I'm tempted to push this to production. All these other alarms are weird. What I assume that is other replicas waking up. And then just finding that they have which is probably a bad way to do it. Like probably the right way to do it is I'm actually kind of worried. Does that mean if I connect to like on prod, I'm gonna have 1 billion of these because every replica is gonna fire an alarm? Kind of feels possible. So really the smart thing probably would be to say like only schedule another one if your count is above 1, and then otherwise like as someone connects. Ugh, I don't know if I care enough to do that, especially since we're going to rewrite this soon. I'm just worried that like on prod there's going to be 1 billion of these, you know, but I don't care. Let's do it. Sometimes you gotta break a few omelets to make an egg, you know? Okay. The only concern, I don't think like alarm's gonna bog things down because they exit immediately. It's just I'm a little worried about things like compute time accumulating. Also, it's a lot of hits that the gateway has to process, but that should only happen if people are connected, right? So that should be fine. So as far as like, how do we do that? That would be you. Who's the real deal? You? Seems like it does the thing. Does it do the thing? Kind of seems like it does. just don't know about the staleness. That's weird. Where'd that click come from? Who was that? I don't think that click was me. Is that a late click from me? Or is there a mysterious clicker? 1, 2, 3. It wasn't me. It was this person. Don't worry, I won't put you on blast. Or will I? I don't remember how to do it anyway. I have an endpoint for that. Does it work? Okay, so how do I know if this is working or not? Excuse me, slightly runny nose. No tissues in sight. Just a very messy desk. I've got so many of these panels today. Actually, they came in yesterday, but I opened the box today. So I gotta try them. I gotta try them out. 16, 8. Yeah, I don't know. How can I know? I think we're okay. I guess I'm just gonna let it run. Okay, I'm just gonna let it run. So that's all I wanted to do this morning for heat. So I'll probably stop this and post this video. Maybe I will jump back on for some stuff I want to do with the ESP32 stuff. I kind of want to try a WebSocket server for like some kind of real-time music visualization. Maybe. Not very sure about that. Just be a little laggy, but or maybe it won't. Maybe it'll be so fast and so good. How do we have anything good in heat? Just change it to paint. I haven't done anything good for a while. Paint works, but it's just me. It's only me with the giant pink blob. Do we have heat turned on here? I look very tired. Well, that is it's a lot of green. This is a cool one. I do like it. Good enough. Ooh, we got a green click there. Thanks, mysterious green clicker. Okay, so I'm gonna call it. I know it's a short and sweet stream, but we did what we set out to do. Hopefully that addresses the problem. I really hope it addresses the problem, but we'll see. We do have that new version of the can, so we'll see how it goes. So anyway, thanks for joining. Thanks for stopping by. Rendered Senseless, always a pleasure. Good luck in your new endeavors, and I will see you all soon. Goodbye. Oh wait, oh my gosh. Sad Mad Lad Salmon? Am I saying that right? Sorry if I'm not. Oh, hopefully this helps. Hopefully this helps all problems. It's really hard to say. I do have this new version that hopefully is gonna be better. I mean, the version I worked on last night that is not ready to push, but hopefully it will be better in the long run for heat. Sal Man. Got it. Sad Mad Lad Sal Man. Okay, cool. Thanks for joining. Sorry for the weirdly short stream, but I'll probably be on later today. We'll see. Arpeyon, how's it going? How's everybody? You can't come out of the woodwork when I'm signing off at the end of the stream, then I feel bad. Like I'm just leaving you all behind. But yeah, hopefully this is good. Okay, bye friends. I will see you next time.